Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to reset the Linksys Velop Micro 6 mesh unit to factory default settings. So first we will reset the router unit and then we will reset the nodes. So before we do that, kindly note this will erase all previous settings on your Velop Micro 6 mesh system. So you will need to set it up again from scratch after this. So to reset your Velop router unit, first make sure it is plugged in into a power source. Next, press and hold the reset button present on the back side of it for around 10 to 15 seconds. After this, release the button and let the router unit reboot. Next, to reset the microvelop 6 nodes, first make sure they too are plugged in into a power source. Next, press and hold the reset button present on the bottom of the nodes. You will see a flashing red light on the top of the unit, which will then pulse dimly for 3 times and then will flash bright red again. After few seconds, the light will turn off. So you might need to hold the button for around 10 to 20 seconds and then release it. Once you see solid blue light again on the node, then it means it is ready for the setup again. So watch video given in the description to learn how to set it up again from scratch. Moreover, if you found the video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my efforts. Thank you.